In this video, we will draw ramp, external steps, plinth protection, and site. We will create an external level. Our floor is at 0 feet, so we will create external ground at -2 feet. Open elevation view. Here we will create another level at -2 feet. Now we will extend all the walls at this new level. Make a selection by creating a window on all the elements of ground floor. Now go to Filter and select Walls. Now we will change the base level. We will put level 6 as base constraint. We can see that our walls have extended up to external ground level. Now we will draw our ramp. Open Ground Floor Plan and click on Ramp button in the Architecture tab. We will select Level 6 as base level and Ground Floor Plan as top level. We will provide width of the ramp as 4 feet. Now click on the center line of start of ramp. Then click on the end point. Click on Finish. Our ramp has been created. Now let's view this ramp in 3D view. We can see our ramp here. We can remove this extra railing. Now let's draw these entrance steps. We will click on Stair button. Select Cast in Place Monolithic Stair. Now we will select base level as level 6 and top level as ground floor plan. Now we will draw stair using Create Sketch command. Here you can see any shape of stair can be created. First, we will sketch boundary. We will draw boundary of the first part of stair. Similarly, draw boundary at other end. Between these boundary lines, we will draw risers. When we click on riser, Revit will inform us that 1 riser created and 3 remaining. Now we will click on the remaining risers. Now for risers created and 0 remaining. Now we will draw stair path. Draw line between center of first and last riser. Finish the command. Our first entrance steps have been created. Let's view it in 3D. These entrance steps are going from external ground level to ground floor level. We will remove these extra railings. Similarly, we will create 2 more parts of the entrance steps. Our entrance steps are ready. Now let's create floor. Click on Floor. We will use Pick Wall tool. We will select this tile floor we already created. Click on Edit Type to see the structure of tile floor. We have 1/2 inch thick porcelain over 2.5 inch thick concrete. Now let's use this Pick Wall command and select all the wall where we want to put this floor. In the toilet area, we will provide different floor. Now we will trim the extra lines and make a close boundary. Now this boundary is closed. Finish the floor command. Our floor has been created. Now we will create mosaic floor in toilet area. We will use Pick Wall tool. Now click on Walls. Use fillet tool to close the boundary. Click on Finish to complete the toilet floor. Our floor is ready. Similarly, we can create the floor at entrance area. Now we will create plinth protection floor. We will create this floor at external ground level. We will use the plinth protection as type of floor. Use Pick Line tool to select all the external edges of plinth protection shown in our CAD link file. Now we will select all the edges of external wall. Now we will close any open boundary we have for plinth protection floor. Click on Finish. Plinth protection has been created. Now let's see it in 3D view. This is our plinth protection. Now let's open section box. We can remove the top walls to view the floors we created. This is mosaic floor in toilet area and this is porcelain floor. Now let's make site. We have open site plan. This site plan is available in floor plans. Now we will go to Massing and Site tab. Click on Topo Surface. Our external ground level is -2 feet, so we will make points having -2 feet elevation. Now click on For Sides to create site. We can see ground is created. We can create as many points as we need. Let's finish the command and view the site in 3D view. Here in 3D we can see a ground is created. Now let's change the appearance of this ground from earth to grass. Select Site and go to Materials. We will search earth material and duplicate it. Rename it Grass. Now select it and then go to Appearance tab. Now click on Duplicate this asset. Now open Asset Browser. Here we will search for grass. We will select this blue grass. Click on Replace the current asset in the editor with this asset. Now we have created new material. Open Graphics tab and then click on Use Render Appearance. Now press OK. We can see site ground is shown as grass. Similarly, we can assign paver pattern to plinth protection. And we can create marble material. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos. In our next video, we will draw furniture and fixtures, 2D and 3D sectional view and render. Thanks for watching.